What we'd like to demonstrate to you today is part of a new software system that Kim has developed primarily for private ambulance service. The system is designed to look after the four main elements of managing an ambulance company. That is patient care records, CQC standards, HR and CPD competency, and the management of ambulance stock, inventories and drugs. We believe that the software has the ability of providing increased efficiency in these key areas and of course lead to potentially saving some money. Here's a practical example of VIPER at work.
Pop a little mask over you, Adrian. Right, just pop your head forward for me, mate. The benefit of the VIPER software is threefold. The CQC compliance software that they inbuilt to their program allows us to store centrally all of our policies, procedures, drug administration records. I'm going to put some data into the computer now, okay? Don't worry. Everything that we require to be compliant with the Care Quality Commission's regulations, VIPER software holds all of that data centrally, and it's accessible remotely as well by any manager from any other site. So the reduction in our staff time of being able to access that saves staff and managers going from one site to another needlessly now. We can do it from one central office. The second area of the software that we really like is the electronic patient report forms. They work on a toughbook computer with a mobile printing solution, yay big, fits into any area of our vehicles, into our cupboards or into our front docking stations. It means that we do away with paper-based copies of patient report forms. Everything is done electronically. If we make a mistake, we can easily delete it, put the correct data back in, and once we arrive at our destination hospital, we can print it here in the vehicle, or indeed in the A&E department if we have a printer available there. The third side of the software that we found very useful is also the stock checking. Each of the vehicles are based on a blueprint within VIPER's software. All of our items are stored in set cupboards, and that's across our entire fleet of box body ambulances. When an item comes to expiry, an email is sent to the relevant department warning us that we have items that are due to expire, and when kit's used, that detail is entered into the system, and then it flags up that we have items that are missing on the vehicle or that we're reaching our low levels, and it will prompt us to go ahead and order more. But also it looks at the three previous suppliers who we've purchased it from and works out who's the cheapest, so we get best value for the products that we replace or the equipment that we use on the vehicle.
So in these days of financial pressures and reduced budgets from the NHS, it's essential for companies to seek the best advantage that they possibly can, and we believe that VIPER may help them to do that.